do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere, anytime, and up down here in the deep blue sea. Hi, my friends. Today, I'm gonna be eating spinach. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. Oh wow, these are really good. So, I got my kids to eat spinach by showing them Popeye. Popeye the Sailor Man. You know, the one who ate spinach and then got really strong? So I showed them that, and since then, they love spinach and they love Popeye. This came out really good. So I put a lot of anti-inflammatory ingredients in this spinach. So I put garlic, I put ginger, What's your favorite vegetable to see someone eat ASMR style? Tell me in the comments. Okay. I'm gonna try to whisper as long as possible. In my country accent for a double whammy. So, today, I don't know why, guys, but I've just been in such a mood for spicy sauces ever since my last video that I posted 4 days ago. I just had a bite of ginger. That was yummy. So, ever since I made that spicy sauce, that spicy Asian sauce that I had made in my last video, I have been obsessed with spicy sauce and I haven't been able to recreate it. So today, oh my, I slurped that one a little too fast, but I'm glad I didn't choke. Oh my. Anywho, back to what I was saying. So, today I made a new type of spicy sauce. I went to my grocery, my local grocery store. And then I went down the little aisle where they have all the spicy stuff. And I was really searching for this one specific kind. It's my absolute favorite. My mother shared it with me a couple years ago, but I couldn't find it. So I found the next best thing. I don't know how it's going to taste, but it sure smells spicy. Well, hot dog, I done forgot that I was whispering already. So yes, that's what's in this sauce right here, guys. This is that new spicy sauce, and I just mixed some soy sauce in there. Oh yes, that's going to be delightful. I just mixed some soy sauce in there, some oyster sauce, and I also have some cocktail sauce. Oh hey darling, how you doing, Puddin'?
Yes?
I'm just recording a video.
Oh, can I record a video with you?
Sure.
Yay!
How did you like the spinach?
I liked it good.
Did you eat it all?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. What about the french fries? Did you eat all the french fries all?
Yes.
Okay. What about the chicken nuggets? Did you eat all the chicken nuggets?
Just one.
Just one? Okay. What about the coconut shrimp? Did you eat the coconut shrimp?
Yes.
Okay. So out of all of the things you ate, what was your favorite? Oh wait, what about the juice? My homemade lemonade.
I liked it.
It was so delightful. Anywho, so out of all of those things you ate, which one was your favorite?
The chicken nuggets and french fries. And the juice. Those are the favorite ones.
Well, I'm about to start tasting on my french fries and chicken nuggets. Because I wanted to make sure I ate all my veggies first so that I can be big and strong.
Should I be big and strong too?
Should you be big and strong? Should you be big and strong? You are big and strong.
Guys, look at my muscles.
Alright. I'm all done with my veggies.
Great.
Now I'm gonna try, should I try the chicken nugget first? Or should I try the french fries? Or should I try the coconut shrimp? I think I'm gonna try the french fries first.
Okay.
Let me have a sip of water. 'Cause I am
Oh.
parched.
Whoa.
Okay, I'm not parched, but I just want to clear my palate before I start eating this stuff.
Wait here. I'm gonna go get some.
All right, I'll be waiting right here. Don't be gone too long. That's my sugar dumpling. I absolutely adore him. All right, so I've already tasted. The fries are delicious.
Was I taking too long?
Not at all, darling, not at all. I was just trying these here french fries. They are quite yummy.
Well, I got to get this.
I didn't even have to. Oh, your lemonade?
Yeah.
He wanted to show you guys his lemonade. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love french fries. I think french fries are my second favorite food. My first favorite food is Caesar salad with roasted chickpeas and grilled tuna. But my second favorite food is french fries. I can't get enough of them. Let me try it with my spicy sauce. My spicy Asian sauce.
I don't like spicy sauce so much. I don't like spicy
Oh my goodness.
sauce.
There is nothing like a spicy Asian sauce. I do declare.
Do you like this race car?
Get your hands off of my nuggets. Roar, roar like a dinosaur. All right, let me try one of these chicken nuggets. Should I try it in my spicy sauce or just ketchup?
Just ketchup.
Okay, let me try it with the ketchup.
Can I
So
bring...
when I was watching the other mukbang videos, I noticed that everybody was like extra dippy with their sauce. Like they made sure that whatever they were eating, it was drenched in the sauce. So I need to make sure my sauce is extra drenchy.
Well,
And then you take a big bite just like this.
I need to go poo-poo.
Thanks for sharing. All right, see you later.
I'm just gonna come back.
Okay, I'll be here. I love a classic chicken nugget with some classic ketchup. Tell me, what are you guys having for dinner tonight? Tell me all about it. Last night, what did we have for dinner last night? I think I was just plumb tired of cooking. Because I cooked all week. Multiple times a day. So, yesterday, I kept it simple, stupid. And I'm gonna try it with my spicy sauce and see how it tastes. Chicken nugget with that yummy. Yeah, oh, I forgot. I gotta make it extra, extra dippy in there. Extra, extra. Make sure all of the chicken is covered with the sauce, because that's how you do it ASMR style. Hot dog. Ooh, hot dog. That's a yummy chicken nugget. Well, hot dog. That's a yummy chicken nugget. But I'm not gonna lie. I think I prefer the ketchup with chicken nuggets. When I mix this with that, the saltiness of the soy sauce and the saltiness of the chicken nugget makes it too salty. So I think it needs some sweetness, some of the ketchup. Maybe I should mix some of the ketchup and my spicy sauce. Ooh-wee! That's nice. All right, and also, so I got these coconut shrimp. I like shrimp. I usually don't like coconut, but I figured because the coconut was on top of the shrimp, I was gonna like it because I like shrimp. And I made a spicy sauce, but it wasn't that great. I put more oil in it than I did hot sauce. And then I ran out of hot sauce. So overall, the last time I ate these, I didn't really like them. But I got a new sauce today and I actually like it. And I have two sauces just in case. So I have the spicy Asian sauce that I told you about that I made, which I absolutely love. It's delicious with my french fries, but too salty with my chicken nuggets. These are not salty, so I think it'll be okay. And then on top of that, I bought some cocktail sauce, because cocktail sauce always tastes good with shrimp. So I figured if I don't like it with this one, excuse me, pardon me. If I don't like it with this one, then I for sure should like it with that one. But let's see. I'm gonna try the cocktail sauce first because I haven't tried it yet. Make sure you put it all over like that. And we're gonna take a big bite. No, we're gonna take a small bite because I'm a lady. This cocktail sauce is much better. I absolutely love me shrimp, like most of the black girls. I be watching their mukbangs, and they be eating the crab legs and the shrimp and doing the seafood boils. I'm like, wow. It's inspiring. I really, really, really love these shrimp with the cocktail sauce. Okay, now I'm gonna try it with the spicy Asian sauce. All right, make sure I dip it in there really, really good. Make sure it covers the entire shrimp, because that's how you do it ASMR style. Completely drench your food in the sauce. I don't know why. I usually just kind of do it like this, but this way is cool too. All right, let me taste it. That was so good. That was so good. I'm gonna spill my water. My, oh my. I need another one of that. And I am so upset because I am getting full. I don't know if I can eat all of this, y'all. But it is so yummy. Excuse me, pardon me. My goodness. My goodness. I really need to bottle these up and sell it, this sauce that I done made here. It goes, I think it tastes even better than that orange sauce that coconut shrimp usually comes with. Like, it's so good, guys, so good. It just makes my tongue so happy.
Back.
Oh, my little pumpkin's back. Hey, Milo.
Hello.
Milo, you have got to taste this sauce.
Okay.
Give it a bite. I'm getting full. Do I want to finish the shrimp or the chicken nuggets? Shrimp or the chicken nuggets?
Huh?
Shrimp or the chicken nuggets?
Shrimp.
Right? I thought that too. Let me try it with the cocktail sauce again. It's so yummy. Okay.
We're gonna do another record video again.
Maybe not tonight. Well, yes, I think I am going to do one more video tonight.
Oh, okay. Is that going to be a bad video or a good video?
I don't know. I'll find out after I make it. You want another bite?
Sure.
So yummy.
Very yummy. you seen my brother, guys?
They've seen plenty of that boy. Always coming in here causing trouble.
Bye.
Ah! Ah!
Come here.
Ah!
Come here.
Ah!
Yes. I'm in the living room with Mommy.
Please, please, not the little one. Anybody but the little one.
But I like the little one because he's so 3.
Oh, here he comes. Guys, you have to try this sauce. You have to try to make it.
Ben, look at our friends.
You won't regret it. So you need soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then hot cherry peppers.
Which one? Maybe hot cherry